Got one. Got one. Good morning, everybody. Right now it is 6:13 in the morning. I'm joined by my friend Myles right there, and we are fishing Dell's Pond at the University of Virginia. I was not expecting to make a fishing video while I was here, but I saw that there was a pond, so thought to myself, why not? This would be a great opportunity to catch some bass. What I really like about this pond is there's lilies everywhere. And all right, and there's also like a tiny little waterfall down there, so it gets the water oxygenated really well. So right now I'm just gonna put my gear down, start fishing. So enjoy the video. Oh, no way. Oh, there we. Oh, had a bass, go for it. Awesome. That's my first bite of today. Oh, he missed it though, just barely. I got one. Really? Yep. Oh, yes, Myles. Oh, nice, Myles. Go. Oh, dude, that's awesome. Hey, give me some.
Go.
Woo!
Awesome. Nice.
Oh, dude. That's awesome, bro.
Icy one.
Okay, is this your first bass?
Yeah, first.
That's
ever.
Insane. This is my finger.
Hold on.
It's all good.
There's a barb
pop
in
it
there.
out.
Yeah. Ooh.
We gotta be careful.
Yeah. Hold on.
Woo!
I'll hold the.
All right, yeah. Just hold him really quick. Get you a good picture. Hold it up. 3, 2, 1. All right, nice.
Cool.
Toss him back. Awesome, bro.
Nice. Hands are slimy.
Yeah. Got one. Yes. Oh, hit right at the bank. Woo! Just came off.
He's hopping.
All right. Thanks for biting, man. Beautiful little fish. All right.
There he goes.
Awesome.
Nice.
1 for 1. Woo! Gonna go to a Senko. This is actually one that my friend found in the water while we were fishing one time. So I'm just gonna try and catch a fish on a used lure. It's a really nice worm too. Very nice and big. Look at the size of that thing. All right, let's go. Got one.
Got one?
Yeah. All right. Come on, buddy. Oh.
I got one. I got it.
Nah.
Nah, it's different actually.
It's different. Woo!
Might have caught the same one 2 times in a row.
No, I don't think that's possible. Oh, yes.
That one's bigger, you think?
No. Yours was bigger. Definitely.
No. Is this one bigger than the one you caught earlier?
Oh, yeah. There we go. Yes. Woo! Beautiful bass. Nice. Yes. Right where I thought he would be. In the lilies. Got one. Oh yeah. Yes. Myles. Got one. All right. Nice. Another nice fish, but I just saw a 3-pounder earlier, so that's what I'm trying to catch. But yeah, solid bass. I'm totally fine with catching this thing. See you, buddy. All right. That's 3 bass for me. Yeah, that's 3 fish. Woo! What a day. Myles caught his first bass ever. He caught like a 1.5 pounder, which is way bigger than my first bass. So good job, Myles.
Thank you.
So I ended up catching 3 largemouth bass. They were nice, decent sized fish, but I did see some really big fish like a 3-pounder at the bank earlier, but I wasn't interested in biting. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to leave a like, subscribe if you haven't already. Enjoy your summer, take someone out fishing, and as always, do it for the adventure.